Raja Bhaiya is likely to get a clean chit in the Kunda DSP murder case. The polygraph test on Raja Bhaiya has turned out to be negative. Earlier, the CBI charge sheet had not even mentioned his name in the murder case after the agency had failed to gather any evidence against him. Sources say the CBI is likely to inform the concerned court in Lucknow about the polygraph test report as well. Well, that's the latest coming in as far as Raja Bhaiya is concerned. The polygraph test that had been conducted upon him by the CBI turning out to be inconclusive. Pranshu with more details on this. Pranshu, as far as Raja Bhaiya is concerned, it seems the polygraph test that had been given to him has turned out to be inconclusive. Give us a sense of this. How are we expecting things to move forward? It's a big day as far as this entire case is concerned.
Yes, that's right. In fact, CBI has already initially, in fact, last month itself has given a sort of a clean chit to Raghuraj Pratap Singh in the case of Deputy SP murder. But at that point in time, CBI has requested the court for a permission for polygraph test. At that point in time itself, CBI said that it has failed to establish any evidences against Raja Bhaiya, and therefore his name has not been mentioned in charge sheet. Many were hoping that probably in polygraph test, CBI would be able to get in some more clues which might indicate towards the possible role of Raghuraj Pratap Singh in this entire murder conspiracy. But now what CBI sources clearly tell that this polygraph test reports, they have been inconclusive, they have failed to establish anything, and therefore now CBI would move ahead with these findings to the concerned court in Lucknow and would file the closure report, after which it will request the court to quash the second FIR of murder, which was registered by the wife of late Deputy SP and which has named Raghuraj Pratap Singh as the man behind the entire conspiracy to murder Deputy SP. So that particular FIR would be requested to be quashed. Ball would be clearly now in the CBI in the court's room, because it is now the court which has to decide whether or not it decides to quash the FIR, or it may order for CBI for some sort of further investigation.